Hello everyone, my name is Millie and I'm co-founder of NOAP. Today I would like to show you how to use our shampoo and conditioner bars. As you can see, I'm fully wet. This is a bit awkward, but I think this is really important to help you guys understand how to use the bars, make sure you're getting the most out of it. So this is how I shampoo my hair. I take the bar and I just kind of spread it down my hair, down the mid area, and I just take some and I just pass it down the bottom end of my hair and kind of rub it in. And as you can see, the shampoo bar lathers a lot. So a little goes a long way. And I just massage it in, just like you normally would do when you're using any other regular shampoo product. And then I rinse out. Now I'd like to show you how I use the conditioner bar. I have curly hair, so conditioning for me is very important. I like to start from my roots and just get fully in there, make sure I don't miss any spots. The conditioner bar is great to leave some in if you like. I love to do that, especially on my ends because they tend to be a little more drier. Kind of just massage. Again, just bring it mid area of the hair, kind of get every little area. You'll notice if you miss a spot, because you'll notice that spot will be dry versus the rest of your hair will be nice and shiny. And I just massage it again like I did with the shampoo, the ends. I tend to separate my hair. Sometimes I comb it. I didn't have to comb with me today, sorry. But I tend to do this, separate, sort of divide the hair into pieces and just get in there. I even the bottom, I do the bottom of my hair, sort of like this. I'll leave it in for a few. And then I'll rinse some of it out. Like I said, I like to leave some in. I like to have a little bit extra conditioning. So I use it as a styler. I use no other product but the NOAP conditioner. So I left some in. This is our rack. We put our bars on the rack. You can see these are removable coasters. They're made out of treated bamboo. What we've done here is try to make it as easy as possible to use our bars. We have text on them: shampoo, face wash, conditioner, and body wash. And so you can position the coaster to the front. So if my top shelf is shampoo, I have the word shampoo facing forward, so that I put my shampoo bar there. I can identify that that's the bar that's on my top shelf. I also love the idea that we can take the coasters out and you can wash these. You can run them under the water. I'll show you how I do it. Just kind of rub the excess from the bar and just clean it every once in a while. And then I'll put it back on the rack. Thank you all for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Follow us on Say NOAP, and thanks again for helping us make a small difference.